Yo, what is up guys, it's Electro here back with another video, and today guys I'll be showing you guys how to make Siri say whatever you want it to say. Disclaimer though, this is not the method in which you just have to tap speak and Siri just speaks whatever's on the screen. Instead I'm going to show you guys how to actually get it while you have Siri open, so it looks more realistic and you might even impress some people. So let's go ahead and get started. What you guys want to do is go ahead and head to your contacts. So just look it up right here. So you're gonna go to your contacts and create a new one, and whatever you put is the thing that Siri is gonna say to you. So for example, for me, I'm gonna put this is just a test. Okay, so I'm gonna put that, and now Siri's going to say that to me. But before that, we're gonna have to go to settings, and we're gonna have to go to Siri and search, and then change your contact from my information to the thing that you just put. So I'm gonna look up this is and I'm gonna put that as my contact. So now if I do something like, hey,
hi, this is just a test.
there we go. So Siri's gonna say whatever I put. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I really hope you guys found this enjoyable and also helpful. If you'd like to see tech videos just like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you could get a notification when I upload again. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.